People today have become aware of the poor working conditions in the garment and footwear industries. Their workers have to produce a vast quantity of clothes each day to meet the high demands for fast fashion. However, the constant high pressure, long working hours and rigid work posture have a very negative effect on workers' health. Existing rules and regulations to protect workers' occupational safety and health have proven insufficient, especially for women workers, who make up the majority of the workforce in the industries. The reason for this is that regulations are predominantly defined by a male standard, while women suffer the consequences. This situation is unacceptable and must change. But how can we achieve that? Our multi-actors partnership is introducing a gender-sensitive lens to occupational safety and health in the garment and footwear industries. It is coordinated by 4 NGOs: Cividep from India, the Trade Union Rights Center from Indonesia, and the Südwind Institute and Femnet from Germany. Workers and their representatives, such as trade unions or local NGOs, need to know about their right to have their health protected at the workplace. What the industry needs is a gender-sensitive lens on their occupational safety and health systems. The Trade Union Rights Center in Indonesia and Cividep in India have conducted extensive studies directly engaging with workers and experts in the field.
And the results, we found that most of the women workers face health issues like musculoskeletal, nutrition, sexual and reproductive, and mental health issues. They are forced to access the private healthcare system over the public healthcare system, and as a result, end up spending 20 to 30% of their wages on healthcare.
Home-based workers in the putting out system face many challenges. Trade Union Rights Center study in North Jakarta, Indonesia, reveals their invisibility as workers, with no government recognition and almost no fulfillment of rights, which leads to endless work hours, wages below the minimum, and their occupational safety and health is not guaranteed. One of the factors is hazardous substances. Moreover, they face other challenges such as blurred work-life boundaries and substandard housing conditions.
It became apparent that female workers are suffering a lot more from the working conditions than expected. But we also found that there's a lot that can be done to change the situation.
As the Südwind Institute, we have experience in working with companies, in investigating working conditions in the apparel and footwear sector, and in scientific research. With our project partners, we bring together the most important stakeholders to work collectively to improve occupational health. We support the Trade Union Rights Center and Cividep in working with relevant stakeholder groups to formulate practical guidelines that can be implemented directly in the factories.
Fashion brands have the responsibility to protect the health rights of their workers. Are you a brand representative wondering how to ensure better working conditions in your supply chain? Or how to comply with your due diligence obligations? Does your brand want to improve its occupational safety and health system, integrate a gender lens, and believe in worker-centered approaches? Get in touch with us and you can become part of a multinational network. You can bring in your own ideas and collaborate with experienced members from diverse backgrounds. If you're interested in the project or the topic and you would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to contact us.